Yo, what's good, people? Here I am, about to check my tire pressure. It's always good to check your tire pressures especially if you ain't been out on a ride for a while. Bike's been sitting in the garage for a little bit, so let's get it done.
In your band? I saw you at bike night one time.
One time at band camp? Alright, so got the air, got the boys, we're about to ride.
Oh man.
Give a little head nod.
The bike's doing the same shit that it did the other day that we went out to Cummins Falls, Jeremy.
Leaking oil everywhere or stalling out because you don't know how to ride?
Hey.
That's what he did. He flipped me off and he stalled right at the red light.
Yeah, I know. He actually posted that shit, yeah.
The whole world got to see it.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, I don't know why everyone's like, I don't want to ride, it's cold.
It's not terrible.
That's not that bad, for real.
I just had to put on that undershirt, and boy, my nipples are getting cold and hard.
See, look, it's stalled now.
Oh, God.
Oh, hell.
So, do we need to go to the lake?
I mean, you got the biggest bike, you'll be riding them back.
No, I won't.
Nut the butt, baby, all the way back.
I don't have a rear seat.
Oh, it looks like you and me, sweetheart. Nut the butt. You put oil in that thing?
Yeah, it's got enough. It's got like 3 drops in it.
Do you know how to ride without stalling?
It's like when I go look. See? It's not there. I got clutch all the way in.
Sounds like your throttle wire's loose.
Oh, shit. What the fuck, bro?
Did
Gotta
it do
let that
bad?
clutch out, bro.
Fucking fart.
Gotta let that clutch out when you get the gas.
Oh, what fart?
Wow.
Alright, let's go right.
Yes, sir.
Mexican left.
Yeah, Mexican left.
Irish down. Hell, I rode the work the other day, and it was the first time I'd rode it in 10 days. I had the shakes.
You had the shakes.
Yeah, 'cause I hadn't rode my bike in 10 damn days.
Yeah, it's been a while for me, too.
And then we get off work that morning, and there was a wreck on the interstate, and it took me 38 minutes to get home going through town. Suck that.
I don't know if that was a wreck or they were doing some road work.
No, there was a four-car pileup, it said.
Oh, damn.
Between Cemetery Road and Scottsville Road. Had the
It's a
whole
puppy! It's a dog! Ah!
Is that bike gonna make it to the lake?
Yeah, well.
If not, then buy a rope and tie it onto the back of Eb's bike and he can just pull you back.
I just hold on to that fucking luggage cart that you got.
Easy now, easy. It sure looks like it's gonna try to rain, but it's not supposed to.
Yeah, we're trying to go to the lake.
Come on, rain! Hey, hell, y'all ain't never been wetbacks before?
Yeah, I have. I really have.
Yeah, I definitely have. Hell, Eb just did on the way back from Atlanta. I saw the video.
Yeah. Definitely have been a wetback.
Call Donnie Trumpy on you.
I'll call Donnie Trump.
Donald. Yo, Donnie. I have a gold wing. I'm in reverse.
You have reverse.
Easy, easy.
I can't have fun. I'm gonna
You
cry.
can have fun. You have all the fun you want.
I'm
Your
gonna
bike
shift
doesn't
like
sound like
this.
she's in the best mood.
Oh
That's
no,
what
it's
I
better. It's better. Oh, acting like a real asshole.
I dare you to touch it. I dare you.
Yeah, those ones aren't the floppy ones, are they?
No.
None of them are floppy, bro.
Floppy. Look at that puppy dog.
Can I pet that dog? Can I pet that dog?
Can I pet that dog? That's an
I want to
alligator,
pet
kid.
that dog. I want to pet that dog.
It's a whole ass alligator.
Whee! Can I pet that dog?
Can I pet that dog?
Can I pet that dog?
Let me pet that dog.
How you doing, puppy?
Hi, puppy.
Oh, never mind. He looks angry.
Hi, puppy
Fuck.
dog. Eat your ass. He don't like Mexicans.
He's brown. Oh, brown.
He just has a really good tan, that's all.
Okay.
That's one of them Jap dogs, isn't it? On Sharpei?
Sharpei.
A Sharpei?
Yeah. That dog will cut you, kid. Sharpei. It's Sharpei.
That was lame, bro. That was lame. You can do better.
I know.
We
Give
can,
me a
but
minute.
why?
But it's inappropriate if I do better.
Hey.
Wait for me, I got little legs.
No, man.
Had to blow out my carburetors.
My work fuel injector, dog.
I know. I know. Hey, what up? Hey, why is the inside of your muffler so black?
Cause, oil.
Okay. It's not oil, that's your fucking tire rubber.
Oh, that, yeah. That's when I'm jumping shit, it fucking hits.
Yeah, when you're doing all them wheelies, the 3 tortilla high wheelies.
I'm gonna do one right here. It's dry, look. It's dry.
Man,
Right
hey,
here.
your chain is loose as fuck, bro.
Really?
It's like flopping.
Ah, fuck. I really ain't even looked at this bitch in a while.
Yeah.
Is it bad?
Yeah, it's, I mean...
Ah!
Hey, look, somebody rubbing against your swing arm.
Ah, fuck.
Hey, you'll be fine.
I'm a jigsaw rider.
You're acting like one.
I identify as a jigsaw rider.
A supermoto jigsaw rider.
See, it just died.
They just don't want to work today.
No, it's been a real
It's a
ass
machine. It's supposed to work. Look at that Mexican go.
Oh, underlay.
Alright, I'm scared of the wet.
What gear are you in? 7th?
I'm 7th. There, I'm the 6th.
I'm in 2nd. How about you, Ed?
I'm comfortable in 3rd right now.
Woo! I smell something burning oil.
It's tar.
It's tar.
Tar.
Ah! I'm telling
Come
my
here!
mama.
Come here! Give me that! Give me that Mexican ass! Easy now.
No.
Jump!
No.
Jump!
No. Whee! That way you can't grab it no more. Ah, fuck. I got way too many pants to be doing that right now, Ed.
How many pair of pants are you wearing, boy?
I got my undies, my thermals, and then these, but these are like double layered.
Your leggings and then your pants, huh?
Yeah, and then my thong too.
Yeah, he also got on thongs.
Your Lululemon leggings?
No, they're called a-doo-doo whatever. A-doo-doo lemon.
Your what?
A-doo-doo lemon.
Lululemon. Lululemon.
Is that what it's called?
I don't know.
I don't fucking know. Lululemon.
Yo, Ed, this is about how cold it was whenever we left from Robbinsville over to Maggie Valley.
No, this ain't shit. It was colder than
I
this
think it was
one.
colder.
It was colder than this when I left to go to Georgia.
No shit.
Yeah. It's like 45, bro.
Hey, you wearing them hot socks?
No, I found them though,
Hey, look. Bam.
What socks you wearing?
I'll buy you a pair, bro. They're a pair of socks from, they're like Eddie Bauer. They sell them at Sam's Club. They're like thermals, dude. They're really warm.
I have Sam's Club membership and I never fucking go there, ever.
You should. That's where I bought these pants, and they have like a liner on the inside of them. Fucking awesome.
Oh, I gotta stop and get gas somewhere.
What? Hey, look at his chain. You can hear your chain flapping.
Yeah, I know. That's how mine was before I got it switched out.
Hey! coming to get that ass.
All right, we'll turn around and go to Alberton, or you want to stop like in Scottsville or something?
We can stop in Scottsville.
Hey, we just met at a gas station, bro.
I know.
Too busy with your fanboys. We expect that out of the young kids, not you old head.
Hey now. Shit happens.
Oh,
wait.
right, motherfucker.
I'm the old man.
Shit happens, bro.
It's the Alzheimer's.
The what?
The Alzheimer's.
Yeah. Old mush brain up here.
I got nothing in my head and we don't know.
Going to the chapel and we're
Oh, hell
gonna
no.
get married.
Hell no.
Hells to the no. My dad be listening to that music my whole life. It fucking drives me crazy.
Hey, she wants to race you.
She wants to race.
Don't bother the cages. Watch her be like, he's a stalker.
Oh my God, he's trying to get me, officer. She wasn't very friendly.
No, she wasn't.
I'm gonna show her my wiener.
I dare you. Aylen County.
Huh?
Aylen County.
I'm not sure what you just said, but
I said Aylen County.
Oh,
oh,
hey, yo, Ed, there's a taco spot up here. Can we go eat tacos?
Let's do it. No, we're going to fucking Wings. Dude, I am fucking hungry though.
Yeah, me too, motherfucker. I ain't ate all day.
I haven't either.
man, you've been telling me about this taco place forever, and every time we come, we just got done eating or we're about to eat.
Yeah.
Text Daniel and tell him to meet us over here.
They're like, fuck, God, it's cold.
Yeah, he definitely don't like the cold.
Well, no shit, bro. He's from Puerto Rico. That motherfucker's like 90 degrees right now.
He says it never gets below 80. Not even at night.
Damn.
It's love, bro.
That's where I need to be.
Fuck that. I want to go to Costa Rica. That's where I want to go to. Whoa!
Oh my God.
Bye-bye.
Oh my God. You can get in, man.
I don't wanna.
You did it. You did it.
Oh, fuck. My balls are cold. I think I just showed the lady my butt.
I had to shake my balls off my leg.
Yeah, me too. They're on the wrong spot.
Shaking my balls. Oh my God.
Lane
Oh
split.
my
Lane
God.
split. Lane split.
Should I do it?
No,
Bet you
do
won't.
it?
Bet you won't. Bet you
Should I
won't.
do it? No, I'm not.
Such a respectable young motorcycle rider. Not like that heathen on that supermoto.
Oh, hello.
That's where I said you can get your tires changed, Ivan.
Oh, the JPMX?
Yeah, it's a dirt bike shop.
You think? Oh, fuck. Okay, I might hit him up.
I mean, you could take him to Twisted Addiction too. He did mine for $50 a tire, but
Nah, I'll probably fuck with them, or I'll go back to Cycle Gear. But I might hit them up, see if they fucking work on shit.
yeah, that for working on your engine and shit, I would.
Yeah.
He said, I mean, that's all he does is fuck with dirt bikes. You don't do anything street bikes or Harleys or anything.
Really?
I had him mount a rear tire for my Harley on the rim for me because I couldn't find anybody a couple years ago. Didn't want to take it to Harley and pay them $150 damn. I think he did it for like $40. Mount the tire. All right, any particular place you want to get this gas?
What?
Gas. You want to go to the one straight ahead? You want to go down to that Casey's? You want to go?
I don't give a
Where you want to
shit.
get gas?
Go to the one that's straight ahead. I don't care.
As long as it's not a 5-star, 'cause they only have 91.
Yeah.
That's not a 5-star, I don't think.
I got guns in my head and they won't go.
Oi, 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 oi. La, 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 la,
That's
la, la,
5-star.
la.
Not there. I think the one straight ahead is the Shell, I think.
Griddles. Griddles.
They ain't got no gas at Griddles?
They ain't got no gas in it. What?
I
don't know.
Okay. You're not in the straight lane. You're in the turning lane, homie.
I know, but look. Oh,
Oh, it didn't run out of time.
Hey, y'all got stuck back there.
You got stuck back. Shut up.
There's a marathon right here. Hey, I'm gonna turn into the marathon up here on the left.
There you go,
All
Marathon.
right.
That's what it is. Hey, let's go a different way.
Hey, y'all some fucking sluts if you do that. I'm gonna tell my mama.
I'm like, Mom. Oh no!
Mami, mamá, madre,
Jefa, mamá.
mamá.
Madre!
Madre.
Watch me drop this bitch.